Hello everybody. So this is now day 2 of my mom's here stay in the Philippines, and this is still morning time, and we're back here in the Greenbelt Mall, this time with the purpose of finding something to eat. We're looking for breakfast, although it's still a little early. Not everything here is open yet. So right now we're headed towards World Chicken, one of my favorite places to eat around here. Wow, look at this big fish over here. Look at this. The fish we're trying to eat the leaves. This here is the mall chapel that Chris and I go to sometimes on Sundays. Hi, good morning. Thank you. They have huge fans hanging there in the ceiling, but obviously it's not air conditioned, so you could get kind of hot in there sometimes. Yeah, we have some more sculptures over here. Oh yeah. Like the financial district bowl that we have in Wall Street. Except this bowl doesn't have a defiant little girl standing in front of it. Christmas season is in full swing here now with this big beautiful tree we have. Very picturesque. Well, our food is finally here. We got some rolled chicken, and wow, this is a real treat. I cannot get enough of this combination. It's not something I normally get to have here in the Philippines very often, but hopefully we'll both enjoy it. The classic chicken with corn sauce, corn and gravy sauce, and mashed potatoes, and buttered vegetables. We just decided to get the same thing for both of us to make it easy. And of course, just simple plain water is exactly what the doctor ordered. Well, unlike my usual experiences here, this time I have to say that it was not really the best. I have a feeling that they have new management in there because the menu actually looked a little different. It just wasn't right. The food looked like it was just reheated from yesterday. But, you know, that just, I guess, leaves a little bit more room for us to enjoy our next meal. Well, although rolled chicken ended up being kind of a failure, but at least Plan B, the Jamaican beef patty, really worked out good because these are good, and both me and Mama really enjoyed it. So at least there's that. Well, we spent a little time hanging out at home, and now to wait for Chris, we decided to go to Market. My mom is being shy. So we're going to see if we can find something for her here in Market in BGC, and then later we'll be meeting up with Chris. So, this is actually the mall where my mom and my sister were visiting when they first came to Manila about 3 years ago, and it kind of left a warm spot in my mom's heart, so she really wanted to get back to Market. It's a really cool store. It's kind of a different kind of mall from some of the others. And here we are, Market. This here's a fighting Santa Claus. If you get too close to him, he might just knock you over. You gotta be careful around this guy. Christmas shopping season is here. Check it out, the American Bazaar. In the US, we have a lot of 99-cent stores. Well, here it's flipped. 56 pesos store. So we got some good shopping done here at the Market, and now we got the epic wait to get the taxi. Lines here are always really long, and today is no exception. Especially since today is a Friday. Especially it's a payday Friday, so you know people are going to be waiting for a while. But we're almost done now, so that's good. Well, looks like dinner time came a little bit early today. Killing some time here until we have to check up on the apartment. So we went to Pound, our burger joint, and both of us got these chicken burgers with french fries. Mom got the same thing. How was your first bite?
Good.
Yeah?
Alright,
good. Well, at least this meal is coming out right.
Okay.
So that's cool. Oh, that was a really good experience here at BGC High Street. Had a really good dinner, but then we also went to the Thai Mango.
to get some desserts, and wow, my god, that really hit the spot, I have to say. I got the avocado and my mom got the mango, so we had both really best desserts over there, and oh my god, it really was awesome. So now we're gonna be heading home in a little while and call it a night.